Paris to New York in only 2 hours. Airbus Mach 6 commercial plane. The Airbus Mach 6 is designed specifically for long-haul, high-traffic routes, such as those served by aircraft like the Boeing 777 or Airbus A350, connecting major capitals like Paris and New York or London and Singapore. However, this new plane will travel at unprecedented speeds, covering the distance between North America and Europe in under 2 hours. Even more exciting, it will be even faster when flying over the North Pole and to Malaysia, making intercontinental travel much quicker than ever before. The concept you're describing seems to be related to the development of supersonic and hypersonic commercial air travel, such as the Airbus Mach 6 commercial plane. While no specific Airbus model currently achieves Mach 6, there are ongoing efforts to develop ultra-fast jets that could transform air travel. Key points 1. Mach 6 speed. Mach 6, 6 times the speed of sound, would drastically reduce flight times. Paris to New York in about 2 hours instead of 8. London to Singapore in under 3 hours instead of over 12. Flight routes. These planes would be ideal for long-haul routes like transatlantic, e.g. Paris to New York, trans-Pacific, e.g. Tokyo to Los Angeles, polar routes to shorten distances, e.g. New York to Tokyo. The challenges, heat and materials. At hypersonic speeds, extreme heat from air friction requires advanced materials capable of withstanding temperatures over 2,000 degrees